It's Todd Schultz and my assignment for EDL 854, Section B, Module 11, Gifts to Students and Staff. When giving gifts to students, a school district administrator should keep in mind that they should only incentivize students for fundraising efforts only. They should only raise money by class, organization, or sport, or club. They should also only award achievement based on age-appropriate rewards, a nominal cost to the district, and this may come from the general fund. This is a great way to encourage students to sell on behalf of a cause for the school. Fundraising incentives should be no more than 5% of the profit of the fundraiser. When giving gifts to staff, this is something that's very, very important in a school district and something the administration should also be a part of and encourage their staff to take place in. The decision to spend funds should be based on committee approval. The committee has a rotation of members to safeguard against misuse of funds. The gifts should be for special occasions such as birthdays, funerals, births of babies, etc. Use of funds can be raised by the staff themselves or donated by the staff themselves. Our district happens to have a flower fund in the case of a death of an immediate family member. Everybody contributes a small amount each year, and if that happens with a staff member, then we agree to purchase flowers for that family. This money cannot come out of the general fund, and it is only to be used in a nominal amount. Special gifts. These are gifts that come from fundraising to benefit a need within the school community. They are taxable, so if money is given to a certain staff member or community member, this money is taxable just like income. It should also only be a nominal amount on an as-need basis. Decision to disperse the money should be made by a committee, not just an individual. This will help safeguard against any misuse of funds. Preventative measures to help us all be successful and keep ourselves safe in spending the school's money. Do not give cash or equivalent gifts, such as gift cards. No gift cards or money orders should be given. Keep records of all funds spent, and also have committee approval based on the spending of the money. My district, USD 394, has some protocol in place for the misuse of the funds and also the use of the funds. Everything should be written in the handbook at the school. This is something the administration at the building and district level should take part in. The layout of all of gifts and grants scenarios should be listed in the handbook. Paperwork should be required and involved in all requests, purchases, and bookkeeping after the purchase. Administrator approval should be required for all purchases out of some sort of gift or grant fund. Thank you for watching.